Hello everyone. Now in this video we'll talk about some important concepts like we will talk about in this video on the Docker file, Docker image and Docker container. Okay. So in this series these are the like very important you can say or just you can say the foundation of this Docker series. Okay. So let's start with the first one which we have on the screen is the Docker file. So what is a Docker file? So it's a very simple concept. Like dockerfile is nothing but just like a text document. Like just we have normal text document. It's also like that text document. Like some commands and some like instructions will be there in that Docker file, which will be used to create Docker images. Okay. So you might feel a little bit of confusing about this, but let me just simplify this for you guys. So you will just think Dockerfile as just like you can think like it as a recipe. Okay. Just suppose it's like a recipe book or something like that, and then you will create some some good foods. Okay, some tasty foods which you will create. So similarly in Dockerfile we will have some instructions. Okay, there will be instructions and we will use those instruction or we will use this file like Docker file and we will create images. Okay, Docker images which we will create. So this is the basic funda of this Docker file, and it's a very like simple concept. I think you should not get to feel like you don't get it. Okay, so this is the normal definition of a Docker file. I hope you got it. Now moving forward, if you were talk about the Docker image, so Docker image is nothing but the thing which is created from the Docker file. It just we can say it is a Docker image, and also you can see here like it's just a template to create a Docker container. Okay, so whatever we will give the instructions like how you have to create image, what are the functionalities or what are the dependencies, what are the like base should be there, like whether it's as application will be based on the Python, Java, PHP or something like that. We will write all those in Docker file and then we will get a Docker image. Okay, so it just like a template to create a Docker container. Okay, and also here you can see I mentioned on point like images which is created can be stored in a Docker hub. So there is something called as Docker hub where we get the different images, different types of images, and then we can share those images to other developers or we can use like images which is created by some other developers. Okay, all those things. So now to understand it quickly or to get it easily, like it's the Docker image, the concept it basically is the based on the OOPS concept, like the class and the object. Okay, if you are familiar with the object-oriented programming language, you may be in Python, Java, C++, okay, or any other language. Then it will be very easy to understand for you guys to understand the Docker image. So let me just simplify this for you. Suppose you have a one class called as students. Okay. Sorry, it's not visible here. I just take some other. Wait. It's going general, yeah. Okay. Suppose this one is your class. Okay. The class is students.
Okay.
Strengths is one class and it has some like properties or you can say their name, roll number, all those things are there. Like, okay. So what will happen? We can create different objects with this class. Okay. So we can create different objects. Suppose one object will be O1. Okay. Suppose this one is the O1 is the object. Okay. And then suppose we will create one O2 as the object.
Okay.
So this one is another object which we have now. So here we have, suppose we have object O2. Okay, good.
Wait.
Yeah, we have object O2. So like it just like just think and imagine like it's just like the image. Okay, student is just one image and we are creating different containers from that image. So I hope that is clear to you now. Like if we this Docker image just nothing but a template which we will use and we will create then containers. Okay. So now moving forward, if you talk about the container, so container is nothing but just here you can see that it's an instance of the Docker image. Okay, it contains the entire package to run the application, like whatever the dependency, whatever the platform, everything, whatever is required, we will get in the Docker container. Okay, like you just like if you suppose like what is the basic and what is the like main concept of the Docker. So we just not just copy the code, we actually copy the whole environment. Okay, and we then pass it to the other person or the developer or the member of your team. So this is the simple concept of a Docker container. Okay, so whatever the instance which is done by the documents. Now in the summary which we have, the summary is nothing, it's just very simple. So this one will be the Docker, it will be the Docker file. Okay. And with Docker file, we will create
Docker image. Okay, let me just
create it for you so that it will be easy to understand. Okay. So this one is the code. So here what we will get, we'll get the Docker image we will get.
okay. So here I have got the Docker image.
And then I will get the
Docker container.
Here we will
get the
Docker
container.
Okay. So this is the basic overview and the basic concept of the Docker file, Docker
image and Docker container. Okay, cool.
So I'm facing a little bit problem in this, so it's going in background. I'll just leave. I hope you got it. Okay, what the concept.
Okay.
So that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you liked it. Okay. And this was the basic concept of the Docker file, Docker image, and the Docker container. So that's it for today's, and I'll meet in the next video in which we'll be installing the Docker. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.